Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn very interesting poem. Before that, I want to ask you one question. Have you ever noticed the group of ants at work? We learn planning and most important teamwork from their behavior. Have you seen how 100 or more ants carrying one piece of sugar, one bee of sugar? One ant would never be able to move the sugar bee or piece. So, teamwork is very important, student. So, today we are going to learn NCERT English Marigold poem Teamwork from Unit 2nd of Class 5th. So, let's start to read and learn the poem. Do you like to work and play with others? Let's sing and dance. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goals. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. We will start to understand the teamwork. In these first two stanzas, poet says teamwork is very important. Do you know, student? Teamwork is very important. We can bring our dreams come true by working together, and together we can share our joys of achieving something. And it is fun to put the ball through the ring, but we cannot shoot it if there is no one to pass it on. Similarly, relay race cannot go on if nobody passes the baton. Now, in last stanza, poet says, when we work together, we become strong, and then it is easy to achieve the common goals. Here, poet want to say, teamwork is very important to achieve our goals and to enjoy the life togetherly. Now we will see new words of the poem. Teamwork, combined effort of a group. Then hoop. Hoop means in this poem wooden or iron ring trundled along by child. Then passes. Passes means move onward. A relay race. A race between teams of which each person does part of the distance. Then baton. Short tube or stick carried in relay race. Now we will see. Let's read. Complete the following sentences. First one. If nobody passes the ball in a basketball game, then you can't shoot. Shoot is correct answer. Then second one. In a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then the relay race cannot continue. Now we will see next question. Think and write. So let's start. Name the team members needed for the following. First one. To play cricket we need. Already answer has given here. Batsmen, bowlers, fielders and coaches. Same way, to make a film we need actors, viewers, directors. Okay, then in third one, to run a good school we need first principal, then students, teachers and peon. And fourth one is, to run a restaurant we need managers, cooks, waiters and most important, customers. Here you want to observe this picture. Look at the picture and answer the questions in one sentence using the word clues given in the box. For question and answer, we will go to the next slide. To write this question's answer, you want to observe that picture. So again, to observe the picture, you can go back and pause the video and observe the picture. Now we will see questions here. Who is laying the bricks? The answer is mason is laying the bricks. Then second one, who is holding the ladder? Labor, correct. And who is the man on the ladder? Electrician, correct. Then fourth one, who is making the door? Yes, carpenter. And fifth one, who is painting the walls? Painters, correct. Now we will see next activity. Now make up a story about the picture. Give names to the people. Write the story showing the importance of teamwork. Means now which picture you have observed, from that picture you want to make the story of that teamwork. So let's talk. In groups of 5, discuss what you enjoy doing alone and what you like doing in a group. Now prepare a list as shown below. 2 groups are here. Things I like doing alone. And in second part, things I like doing in a group. For example, I like reading, writing and sleeping alone. And in second one column, things I like doing in a group, that is I like playing, dancing and singing together. I will write that activities in second column. Same way, you want to write about your activities which you do alone or which you do togetherly. Now one more interesting activity we want to do here, that is let's write a poem. I have a kite but need a friend to fly it with. I know a song but need someone to hear it. I have a ball but need someone to catch it. In the same way, you want to continue this poem with your own lines. You want to make your own lines. For example, I have sweets but need someone to share it with. And next, I have a lawn but need someone to play on it. Now it's fun time. Make groups of 10 and present one of the following activity in class or in house. One skit, song, dance, painting a chart for class, then make paper bags from old newspapers. Now in say aloud, we will see a small grammar part, that is contractions. Say aloud, contractions. We sometimes use short forms for some words. For example, we use I'(em) for I am and I'(ve) for I have. These shortened words are called contractions. The mark apostrophe is an apostrophe which shows where the letters are. For example, we will. Contraction is we apostrophe double L. Cannot, can apostrophe T. Then next example, we have. For we have, contraction is we apostrophe VE. Next one is you have. You apostrophe VE. There is. There apostrophe yes. What have? What apostrophe VE. We are. We apostrophe RE. They are. They apostrophe RE. For better understanding, you want to write all these examples in the notebook. Now see, write the contractions for the following phrases. Has not, hasn't, have not, haven't, do not, don't, are not, aren't. I hope you have understood the poem. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.